guys, how are you? Today I'm gonna to teach you how can you do slide kick in air. This is in air actually. This is the very attractive. This is the filmy kick. A lot of time you have been watched in any movie action sequence like Indian movie or Hollywood movie, and I will just show you what is the slide kick. First slide kick is simple like this. Like you're gonna hit slap anyone like this same. You have to. This is the kick of slide kick, like hit any slaps to the by your leg. So this is the not very stylish. If you want to do in air, this will be stylish. Like this, you have to first in air hit in air, like your left leg and right leg hit in the slap like this on cheek. Okay, like this. You can see here like this. How can move my legs. Okay, so this is the slide kick in air. How can we do it? I will teach you step by step what you have to do this. First thing is you have to learn what is the slide kick. I told you this is the slide kick. Slide kick like this. If you want to hit anyone by the slap like this, sit, and you have to shame to do like this your right leg and left leg. Okay, right leg like this. You have to first your position like this, fighting position. Okay, L position like, and you have to increase in air your stretching, increase stretching like this. Okay, and you have to move like this 180 degree. Okay, 180 degree. Just see. Okay, this kick. Okay, this kick will cross the head leg. Okay, anyone can head leg like this, and you have to cross and slap on his cheek. After that your leg will land. Okay, like this. Okay, and same to you have to do like this kicks by your left leg. Okay, like this. This is the slide kick, and after that, after you have to do this again and again. That will be perfect. And what is the stepping to do air slide kicks? I'm gonna teach you. Okay, like this. You have to practice like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Basically, whenever we will do in air straight kick like this, actually this is the similar like this. Okay, similar. After you have to do this, you have to done it. Okay, and after that you have to push your leg like this side. Okay, you have to increase your stretching. First up in the side your leg. Okay, and after that your right leg is moving like 180 degree. Okay, like this, like half meter diameter. Ready? You 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Your body like move this. Okay, 1. Again and again you have to practice continuously, like 1 week. After 1 week you will able to do this. Like, okay, this is the perfect. And you have to increase the height like this. This you can increase height like 6 feet only, not much more. Okay, this is the perfect trick. And I will just show you opponent legs like this. Same you have to do in your exercise like this, like this, like this, and you have to complete it. And you have to move like your body like this, like this, like this, and again you have to do practicing similarly both legs in a once. Because of if you do one leg, right leg, you will pain in your opponent's side. Okay, so I'm suggesting you have to do both legs and both sides same cheese, and Similarly, everything you have to do both sides. Okay, like this, your body move like this. Okay, and like this. This is the perfect kick, and I'm just show you like what is the increase, and this is the height is enough, like 6 feet. Not you have to much more. How can we hit on this height? Okay, let's see. This is the perfect kick. You gonna hit anyone. This is the not much more, again 66 feet. So I'm trying to do my best. So we need support. Keep supporting, keep loving, do subscribe, don't forget